for drivers who want versatility without breaking the bank. The 2026 model brings subtle improvements. Welcome back to South Motor Car World. Today we're diving deep into one of the most practical and family-friendly SUVs in the market, the 2026 Honda BRV, a vehicle that continues to build its reputation as a reliable, spacious, and budget-conscious option for drivers who want versatility without breaking the bank. The 2026 model brings subtle improvements, refined performance, and updated features that make it even more appealing, especially in markets where value and durability matter the most. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Honda BRV carries a bold and modern look. It features a refreshed front grille with a more aggressive stance, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a more premium feel than previous versions. The SUV stance is strong with high ground clearance, making it suitable for both city driving and rough roads. The side profile shows clean lines and stylish alloy wheels, while the rear design gets updated LED Taillight HTs and a more refined bumper that adds to the overall sporty yet practical appearance. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2026 Honda BRV is designed with comfort and usability in mind. It offers a 3-row seating configuration, making it a true 7-seater SUV, which is a big advantage for families. The seats are well cushioned, and the material quality has improved compared to older models. There is a mix of soft touch materials and durable plastics, giving a balance between comfort and long-term usability. The driving position is elevated, providing a commanding view of the road, which is something SUV lovers really appreciate. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly. At the center, you get a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. The interface is smooth and easy to navigate. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, giving you all the necessary driving information in a clear and modern format. Features like automatic climate control, push start button, and multiple charging ports make the driving experience more convenient. When it comes to space, the BRV truly shines. The second row offers generous legroom and headroom, making long journeys comfortable for passengers. The third row is usable for adults on short trips and perfect for kids on longer drives. One of the highlights is the flexible cargo space. You can fold down the third row to create extra luggage room, which is ideal for family trips or carrying large items. Now let's talk about performance, which is a key aspect for any motor review. The 2026 Honda BRV is powered by a 1.5-liter EVTS petrol engine that delivers a smooth and efficient performance. It produces around 121 horsepower and is paired with either a manual transmission or a CVT automatic transmission. The engine is not built for aggressive speed, but it focuses on reliability, fuel efficiency, and smooth driving. In city driving conditions, the BRV feels easy to handle. The steering is light, making it simple to maneuver in traffic and tight parking spaces. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough patches effectively. On highways, the engine performs steadily, providing enough power for overtaking and maintaining cruising speeds. The CVT transmission ensures a smooth ride without noticeable gear shifts, which adds to the comfort level. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the BRV. The 2026 model offers impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective option for daily use. On average, you can expect around 14 to 16 km per liter depending on driving conditions, which is quite good for a 7-seater SUV in this category. Safety is also a major focus in the new BRV. The 2026 model comes equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability assist, hill start assist, and rear parking sensors. Some variants also include a rear-view camera and advanced driver assistance features, which enhance overall safety for both driver and passengers. The solid build quality and reliable braking system add confidence while driving at higher speeds. One of the key reasons people consider the Honda BRV is its practicality. It is designed to handle everyday needs, whether it's commuting to work, school runs, or weekend family trips. The maintenance cost is relatively low, and Honda's reputation for reliability ensures peace of mind for long-term ownership. Now let's move on to pricing, which is a crucial factor for buyers. The 2026 Honda BRV is expected to be competitively priced in its segment. The Depending on the variant and features, the price range is estimated to start from around $25,000 and can go up to $30,000. In markets like Pakistan and other Asian countries, the price may vary due to import duties and local taxes, but it still remains a strong value for money option compared to its competitors. When you compare the BRV with other SUVs in the same category, it stands out because of its 7-seater capacity, fuel efficiency, and trusted brand value. While some rivals may offer more powerful engines or slightly more premium interiors, the BRV balances everything in a way that suits practical buyers. Driving the 2026 Honda BRV feels comfortable and predictable, which is exactly what most family car buyers want. It may not be the fastest SUV on the road, but it delivers a reliable and smooth driving experience that makes daily use stress-free. The visibility is excellent, the controls are intuitive, and the overall build inspires confidence. Another important aspect is durability. Honda vehicles are known for their long-lasting performance, and the BRV is no exception. It is built to handle different road conditions, making it suitable for both urban and rural environments. Whether you are driving on smooth highways or uneven roads, the BRV manages to keep passengers comfortable. In terms of technology, the SUV keeps up with modern demands. The infotainment system, connectivity options, and driver assistance features ensure that you are not missing out on essential tech. It may not be overloaded with luxury features, but it offers everything that most users actually need in their daily driving. To sum it up, the 2026 Honda BRV is a well-rounded SUV that focuses on practicality, comfort, and efficiency. It is an excellent choice for families who need space, reliability, and good fuel economy without spending too much. The updated design, improved interior quality, and dependable performance make it a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. If you are looking for a vehicle that can handle daily commuting, family trips, and occasional long drives with ease, the BRV is definitely worth considering. It may not be flashy or overly powerful, but it delivers where it truly matters, making it a smart and sensible choice for many buyers. That's all for today's detailed motor review. Stay tuned for more car reviews and updates right here on South Motor Car World.